we're going to troubleshoot why your HyperX Cloud 2 microphone isn't working. 1. First, let's check the basics. Make sure your headset is properly plugged into your computer. There's usually a separate port for the microphone and the headphones. Double-check that the microphone plug is firmly in the pink or green audio jack. 2. Next, confirm your headset is selected as the default microphone in your computer's sound settings. This varies slightly depending on your operating system, Windows or Mac, but generally, you'll find these settings in your system's control panel or settings app. Look for sound, audio, or similar. Once inside, go to the Recording tab. You should see a list of available microphones. Select the HyperX Cloud 2 or a similarly named option and set it as default. 3. Now, let's test the microphone itself. Go to the recording settings, as in Step 2, and check if you see your HyperX Cloud 2 listed. If you don't see it listed, try restarting your computer or plugging the headset into a different port. If you do see it listed, click on it to highlight it, then click the Properties or similar button. This will take you to an additional configuration menu. Check your levels are correct and not muted. Many devices have a mute function. 4. Let's check the microphone's mute button. Your HyperX Cloud 2 headset likely has a mute button on the cable. Make absolutely sure this button isn't accidentally engaged. 5. If you have multiple audio devices connected, ensure that your HyperX Cloud 2 is the selected input source in any applications you're using, like Discord, Zoom, or game streaming software. Look for audio settings within those applications, and make sure your headset is selected as the input device. 6. Update or reinstall your audio drivers. Outdated or corrupted drivers are a common culprit. Go to your computer's device manager. Search for it in the Start menu. Expand Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Find your audio device. It'll probably have something like Realtek or High Definition Audio in its name. Right-click it and select Update Driver or Uninstall Device. Restart your computer after updating or reinstalling. Your computer should automatically reinstall the drivers. If it doesn't, you can visit your motherboard manufacturer's website to download the latest audio drivers. 7. Check for physical damage. Carefully inspect the microphone itself and the cable for any visible damage, bends, or tears. A damaged cable or microphone can prevent sound from being transmitted. 8. If all else fails, contact HyperX support. They may be able to help diagnose more complex issues or determine if you might need a repair or replacement. Remember to be patient and methodical, as you may need to work your way through each of these steps.